RESTful Health Exchange, or REx, is an open-source project to apply web technologies to demonstrate a simple, secure, standards-based health information exchange. This initiative builds the foundation for patient access to data and removes barriers to electronic health data exchange. Today, health records reside with the healthcare provider organizations that generate the records. As a result, patients don't have easy access to their health information to manage their own health. Records are dispersed across all the different providers the patient has visited over the course of a lifetime, including clinics, hospitals, nursing homes, pharmacies, dentists, and no one provider has a complete view of the patient's medical history. This means that critical health information about a patient may not be available to the patient and clinician when treatment and lifestyle decisions are being made. And providers often repeat diagnostic tests when they are unable to access test results performed by another provider, increasing costs. So why is it still the case that health data is not being broadly exchanged? Acquiring health records from another provider can be a very cumbersome and slow process. Information sharing with other providers poses a financial risk because HIPAA and other legislation impose severe penalties for violations of patient privacy. In some cases, records are moved manually between facilities. If automation is used, networks need to be established and secured for data exchange, typically point-to-point. What if patient healthcare history could be available to physicians and hospitals at the click of a mouse? What if we could utilize the World Wide Web to share links to information between primary care physicians, hospitals, consulting physicians, and patients? What if we could secure the information, keeping it private and available to only patients and authorized providers using proven web technologies? What if large, bulky health records could be broken down into manageable pieces, improving care coordination by providing the capability to exchange key clinical information among providers, clinicians, and patients? What if the data could be linked, allowing clinical context to be built? This would allow humans and software applications to browse the web of links to access specific information needed at the time. The goal of the REx project is to build the foundation to realize this future of health information exchange. Sponsored by the Office of the National Coordinator for Health IT Federal Health Architecture Program in fiscal year 2012, REx harnesses the power of the World Wide Web to share health information, allowing providers to access health data via web links with a click of a mouse, securely keeping the information private and available only to patient and authorized provider. REx offers providers the ability to access specific components of a patient's health record in ways previously unavailable in order to make more accurate diagnosis and provide better care. It removes barriers to improving healthcare exchange by providing organizations with an approach that facilitates shorter implementation times, and builds the foundation to allow patients to securely access their health information using mobile devices. To test the concepts, we're piloting with the Telemedicine and Advanced Technology Research Center, TATRIC, to demonstrate a secure RESTful health data exchange. We are constructing a REx-enabled system that will be used by TATRIC to demonstrate how secure RESTful exchange of data can be used to address an existing gap in capability, namely the sharing of health data between primary care and consulting providers. We are also collaborating with the Maine State Health Information Exchange, HealthInfoNet, to utilize REx to secure data transport from provider facilities to the state HIE data repository. For more information to follow our progress, please visit our wiki site,